When your client needs a motor replacement, they rely on you to source the best and most cost-effective solution fast. When you can't buy direct from the manufacturer and need to go through a third party instead, how do you know you're getting the best price and lead time? Meet Luke. Luke is the owner of a local motor shop in small-town Manitoba. He has about $500,000 in inventory in his warehouse and sources his motors directly from WEG, one of North America's top electric motor manufacturers. But when his clients need a replacement from Balder, Leeson, TECO, or one of the other big brands, Luke has to source the replacement from another motor shop. A client calls and the motor for their air compressor has gone down. Their business comes to a halt. The client requests that Luke gets the replacement motor from their preferred brand, Leeson. Luke calls his usual source for Leeson motors. They don't have the motor in stock, and they have to check around and call him back. This is a problem Luke has faced before. The inventory in his local town is limited to what suppliers keep in their warehouse, and he's never sure that he's getting the best price. The next day, Luke gets a call back. The motor his client needs is difficult to source, and delivery won't arrive for another 2 to 3 weeks. He's already lost a full day, and the price is significantly higher than he was expecting. This is going to eat into Luke's margins. Luke needs a better solution for his motor supply chain. Luke remembers a call he received a few weeks back. An account manager from eMotors Direct had called to introduce himself, and he'd sent him an email with further information. Luke takes out his laptop, finds the email, and clicks through to eMotorsDirect.ca. He enters the motor catalog number into the search feature, and the product appears. He enters his customer's postal code and sees that the motor is available at 4 locations across Canada, including his province. Luke scrolls further to find 8 equivalent alternatives from other brands that are direct replacements for his customer's motor. After searching through, he sees he's selected the motor at the best price and with the shortest lead time, so he adds it to his cart. When he goes to check out online, he sees information about the Loyalty Rewards program and decides to sign up. It takes him only a few minutes to sign up, and he already sees great discounts. He checks his cart, and his order has gone from $1,248 down to $1,147. He's confident he has found the right solution and at the best price. 2 days later, the motor arrives at his customer's location, and he goes to install it. Their air compressor is back up and running, and in record time. His customer is super impressed. A few days later, Luke gets a call from his eMotors Direct account manager, and they talk options to expand his inventory with more brands, so he can help more customers in his area and grow his business. Luke is now confident he can offer more to his local customers without the back and forth with other motor shops. We've aggregated all the manufacturer inventory across Canada so that you can make more informed buying decisions. Instead of accessing just your local supplier inventory, gain access to over $75 million worth of product across Canada. The information you need to buy your motor now is just a click away. Visit eMotorsDirect.ca to shop over 50,000 motor and motor-related products. Consult with our team of motor experts on your next project or motor replacement. eMotors Direct. We help motor shops expand their inventory.